What's going on, fam? You know what we doing today. We taking Young Blue out. We gonna take Young Blue out today. Try to get up on him. What's up, fam? Hey, we're on the water. I got all the poles set up. Solo dolo today. All right, I got kind of my down rig, kind of doing a little small, little, almost semi spider trolling in the front going on. All right, that's what we kind of got popping in the front. And on the rear, I'm kind of doing more of a long line, just looking for crappie. Like I said, if I catch anything, I catch anything. If I don't, I don't. I'm out in the water trying to learn this lake. So we'll see how it goes. If we catch anything, we'll let you guys know and get up on them. Peace. Yeah, there we go. Got some on. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Don't get on my anchor, baby. What we got? Little striper. Little old baby striper. Whee! Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh, the shoulders on. What we got, baby? What we got? What we got? What we got? Oh, what I'm talking about? What we got? What we got? What we got? Ah, not on my anchor. Get off my anchor. Get off my anchor. Come on. Get off my anchor. Come on, baby. Get off my anchor. Get off my anchor. Get off my anchor. Get off my anchor. Oh man, did I just lose him? Oh man, I lost him. This thing took it like a rocket though. Fine. I gotta be gentle with this fish because I literally don't know what it is. I'm only got what's it, 6 pound fluorocarbon, so I'm gonna be gentle with it. It could be a catfish. Hey, let it be, man. I'm gonna enjoy this fight. Come on, baby. I ain't gonna horse them up. You know what I'm saying? Come on. He ain't done fighting either. God dog. What is this? Come on, baby. And I'm still able to control the boat because I got the remote in my hand, you know what I mean? Come on, man. This thing even lift his head up. I gotta be gentle. I'm only using the 6-eye hook. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, baby. Come to me, come to me. There we go. What we got? I at least want to see what I got. You can snap off. Oh, man. Ooh, wee. What I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, this little fight here alone make up my day, because it's been slow for me. I'm still trying to learn the lake and everything, so you know, if we can see what this is. Oh man, it look like a big old drum. Hey, this might be my PB drum so far. Oh man, oh God, it's not. It's a big old white bass. come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Ah, got him, baby. Woo! Let's go. No, it's not. This a crappie. Good God. My God, Jet. This is crappie. This a big boy crappie. This a big boy. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. Nah, okay. It's a white bass. It's a big white bass. Good God, that was a good fight. That was a good fight. Man, let me probably get this off. Come on, baby. What we got? Keep them on top. Keep them on top. All right, there you go. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me, baby. Pick that head up. Pick that head up. Let's see if we gonna get spooked. Get close to the boat. Oh God! A big old catfish. Pick that head up. Yeah. Come here, big buddy. Ah, somebody eat him. Not me. Today is your lucky day, my friend. Let's get him back in the water. So check it. You're able to turn. For some odd reason, I could not get this dang on captain seat to turn all the way around. But man, look at this. I can get the captain seat, turn all the way to the rear. I can watch my long lines in the back. I still can turn around, watch my lines I got in the front as well. I can't wait to upgrade my fish finder so I can get a little bit side imaging, down imaging, so I can kind of chase a little bit more species of fish. Right now, I mean, I'm still learning this lake. I'm really still learning this lake. I was so excited earlier too. I first off realized, man, this a crop. And I looked closer and I got him out, put him in. I was like, man, this is a big old white bass. It's a hybrid. When I spoke to one of the people on the lake, it's a hybrid striper. Striped bass. I said white bass, hybrid striped bass. And the guy was just astonished that I caught it on the line that I caught him on. But you know, I did a lot of fishing offshore in a kayak in Okinawa, Japan, so I know not to horse no fish. You know, you got to take your time. Definitely got to take your time. But I'm loving this boat, man. I'm loving this boat. It's a small upgrades, more upgrades that I do want to put on here. I'm gonna actually order some more Scotty rod holders for it, and the more and more I learn this lake that I'm at, the more content I'm gonna try to provide and give y'all a little bit more guidance on, you know, what you can upgrade on your pontoon. So hey, stay tuned. Get straight to it. Go ahead and fillet this bad girl. Let's see if I can sit that right there. Boom. So we're gonna do it the exact same way we did the last fish. Alright. We'll cut diagonal right behind this back fin. Again, take the tip of your knife, you're gonna guide it all the way down. Alright. Yeah. Get by midway, find that rib, that backbone. Follow your knife through, take the tip again. Follow that same line you just cut to your hear that clicking from the rubbing against the backbones. We'll do a nice little curve. This fish as well got a little film on it, so you don't want to go super deep on it. Alright, go kind of light. And let that knife just kind of glide on top of it. Should have a nice piece of meat. Boom. We'll cut that out. Alright, got my fillets. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna season and prepare these. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it straight over. Actually, I'm gonna leave them right here. My first seasoning that I'm gonna put on there. Bam. Yep. Chicken bouillon, baby. Season it with a little chicken bouillon. Oh man, don't need much because it already got it kind of salty, and the fish will take on that flavor so quick. All right, once we got that, we can kind of just stir it around with it, flip it over, boom, boom, boom. All right, boom. Got that done. Chicken bouillon on there, boom. Bring it over here to your plate. Boom. Put it on your plate with your flour. Cornmeal. Show you that. I'll show you that next. Boom. Brush that hand off. Bring it over here to your cornmeal. This is what I'm using today. I like to try it. Never had this brand before, so I'm gonna try it. I got this from Kroger's, I want to say. Alright. I already got my grease hot. Boom. We go get that bad boy rolling. That bad boy rolling. My daughter been screaming she want fish, so I threw away a lot. And I didn't figured I wouldn't freeze this. I just go ahead and cook it up. We'll eat it, enjoy it, and go from there. All right. I'll be back once I got this thing done. Go ahead and get this bad girl a nice taste. Woo-hoo. That's good. Hey, go ahead and hit like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Hey, and sometimes there's no such thing as a trash fish, just a trash cook.